You still have time, but not much. Let's be real. You feel it. That quiet panic. That thought you push down. I'm behind. You tell yourself it's fine. You're young, you've got years. That's the lie. This is why people fail. They think time is waiting. It's not. It's moving fast. Days don't disappear loudly. They slip away. One scroll, one delay. One, I'll start tomorrow. And suddenly, years are gone. You don't need pressure. You need urgency. Because talent means nothing without action. Dreams rot when you don't touch them. So here's what to do. Step 1. Stop living like you have unlimited time. You don't. Step 2. Choose one goal you keep avoiding. The one that scares you. That's the one. Step 3. Work on it every day. Even when it's boring. Even when it's slow. 10 minutes counts. 0 doesn't. Consistency beats intensity. Every time. Now picture this. A year from now. You didn't quit. You didn't drift. You're stronger. Calmer. Ahead. Not perfect, but proud. That future is still possible, but only if you move now. Most people won't. They'll wait. They'll hope. Don't do that. You still have time, but not much. So stop wasting it. Start today.